So right now I have clients from 5 different industry. One is the degree colleges, second construction companies, third luxury wedding venues, and fourth real estate, fifth rooftop solar installation companies.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll tell you the budget of their ad spend. The
Can you come again? Okay, luxury. The first one was
degree colleges,
okay. Okay. Second.
construction companies.
Okay.
Third is luxury wedding venues.
Okay.
Fourth is real estate,
Okay.
and fifth
Got
is
it. Rooftop. Rooftop. Yeah. Got it. Okay.
so the degree college their ad budget is 30,000 per month,
Mm.
and construction company has 30,000 per month ad budget same. So wedding venue have 20,000 ad budget. The real estate company has 30,000 ad budget, and the rooftop solar installation company have 20,000 ad budget. So I was just I need your help, in terms of creating creatives and the targeting, because again I have to show them the result with the ad spend that I mentioned. I know that's very less, but I just want to show them that I can generate results. Probably after that, then I can ask them to extend their ad budget and my fees as well.
Simple answer over here. There's one kind of ad that works really good. Okay. Very easy to create. Okay. Bare minimum efforts required. Working like crazy till now. It has been working for last 2 years. I have been seeing. Works because it piggybacks on the branding of Instagram. Creative is Q&A creative.
Q&A.
Yeah. Q&A creative is ask me anything. You remember ask me anything?
Yes, yes.
Right. So
Yes.
just pick up the most common FAQs that people have in that niche.
Okay.
Okay. Tell them to answer that. Create an ad around it. Okay. Start running it. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. Simplest one to create. You don't need that much amount of research. Perplexity or any other tool, Claude will be able to do the research for you. There are always the same FAQs which are there. Go ahead, ask them what are the most commonly asked questions in each particular field. Create the question, create the answer for them, customize for them, tell them, look into the screen, use the teleprompter and just record it for me, and that's all. Okay, and edit it inside the Instagram app.
Okay. Instagram app.
Yeah, you need to edit it in the Instagram app.
Got
You
it.
need to edit it inside Adobe or any other tool. Why?
Got it.
Because you want to piggyback on the fonts branding of Instagram so
Oh.
that it doesn't look like an ad,
Okay.
right?
Yes.
That's all, nothing else. Okay.
So what should be the campaign objective? Lead generation, right?
Yeah, lead generation. That's all. Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you're serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.